Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my fantastic new listing, number 3 Huron Place, Narangba. This 4-bedroom home has been recently updated. It sits on an above average size block, 895 square metres, and once you see the huge pool in the backyard, you'll realise this is one you don't want to miss out on. Let's have a look. I'm Cini from Movement Realty, and thank you for watching the video. I look forward to seeing you at the inspection.